subscribe with notifications on.
I'm from Pretoria, eh? When I came to Cape Town 2006, I thought, we had a mentality that, we always hear that, Xhosa women, they love, they love men, you understand? But that was not the case. Guys, if you want to marry, go marry a Xhosa. Those people, when they love wholeheartedly.
Tell them.
And you know what? There is loyalty. You
tell them.
Man, I got this.
Tell them.
Xhosa
Number one.
You know what? Guys, men, if you wanna marry, go to Xhosa land, man. You'll get women there. You'll get, I dated Botswana. Botswana, Mapedi. Guys. No, I don't know. Maybe I dated the wrong ones. I don't know if there are good ones out there, but I don't know. Maybe I dated the wrong ones. But Xhosas, guys. Men, now, my recommendations. Xhosa women, they are the best. They are good loving, 100%. If they love you, they love you.
Amangwevu.
And you will never regret.
Amangwevu.
My wife is a Xhosa.
Amangwevu.
For all these years I've been together with my wife. I'm very happy. I don't have a problem.
Intombi kaMamgqwash. Wena.
Never.
Umzukulwana kaMamgwevu niyandiva nandizithutha.
Exactly.
Niyandiva nandizithutha. Intombi kaMamgqwash. Umzukulwana kaMamgwevu. Wena.
You hear that? So, imagine. You know what? I think my brother, you're not lost, my man. You're not lost. This woman, my man. I'm telling you, bro, you know what? Gold, my man. Gold. Now I'm talking about mine. I married a gold, guys. Gold. If you guys wanna go out there and get a woman, go to Xhosa land. I don't know where in Xhosa land. I don't wanna say where, but Xhosa land. Find out. Find out where is Xhosa land, in South Africa. Guys, it's so nice. Have you ever seen when you've got so many years in a marriage? You've got everything you want. You've got everything you wanted in life. Besides the woman being beautiful, the woman mustn't be beautiful just facially, but she must be beautiful everywhere. Inside, the heart.
Ngaphakathi.
Nangaphandle. I'm telling you, even if the woman is not beautiful, but as long as she's beautiful here, you've got it all. Exactly. That's the most important thing that we need as a man. All men want that. You understand?
They don't want a beautiful woman, but they want a beautiful woman. The beauty must be inside,
within,
not outside.
Exactly.
The outside beauty is not important.
A woman that will never tell you, let's go to the pub. A woman that will never tell you, let's go buy a beer. A woman that will never tell you, let's take the money and go and spend and play mrabarab or play whatsoever. But a woman that will guide you and say, you know what, we've got money, let's take this money, let's do this. I'm so proud. I remember when I first built our first house with my wife, she pushed me. She said, you know what, here now we are going to build a house. We are going to build a house.
Guys, I fought until I lojike airport.
Yeah.
Xa ndifika airport ndipush ibheki zam ndisithi wena uba uyikhuphile mani yothenga le ndlu mna ndiyagoduka.
And to be honest with you, she fought. And to be honest with you, I had to listen. Sometimes if you don't value a woman, you won't listen. And I had to listen. And look at me now, I'm sorted.
Hayi ndajike airport bethuna. Ndajike airport. ndayojika e-airport ndabe ndiqonda uba kahle kahle le ndoda andifuna ndasebenzise le mali ide iphele ngayithengi le ndlu ndathatha ibhegi yam ndayitsalela e-airport ndarhuqa nabantwana ndathi thathani iibhegi zenu nini masihambe ne-airport sigodukeni ngoba utatakho akafuna uyithenga le ndlu.
And here we are so.
ndayojika e-airport bethuna.
Xhosa side, guys, we've got such a wonderful family, wonderful family, wonderful kids, got a nice, wonderful life together. We appreciate what God is giving us, on a daily basis. So sometimes it's all about focus. If you are focused as a man, stop this thing of, wanting to, like my sister was saying, that, some other men, they want to taste everywhere. They want to taste.
hayi kodwa bethunana kuyo yonke loo nto esiyithethayo apha, all praise to the Lord.
Yeah,
because on our own we wouldn't have made it. Even those who hate us, guys, we praise the Lord for them.
Exactly.
Because now I wouldn't have met my man here.
Yeah.
You
Exactly.
benza ibona nini Mozambique.
So, but it's part of.
So if you're watching here and then you are the one that I'm talking about who once hurt me, just know that I forgave you long time ago. And you know what? If you did not hurt me, I wouldn't be where I am today.
Exactly.
So thank you.
You see,
thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Sometimes these things happen in life. It's a lesson we learn. From them. They actually. They are actually grooming us. Understand? Sometimes when you are hurt, you might think that as a man you are hating this woman. Can you know what?
Or maybe you'll think that you are losing something precious, and is for the best.
Exactly.
You are actually going to get the best.
Exactly. You understand? So it's very important.
So if you are out there and you are crying, you are that lady who's thinking, oh, this guy in Nkosiam is hurting me so much. Just know that is for the best.
Exactly. Life is
let
so
it
precious,
go.
guys.
That one, let it go.
Life is so
it's
precious.
for the best. You're gonna get the best out there.
Exactly. Life is precious, guys. You need to respect life. If you don't respect life, life will deal with you. At the end of the day, you're going to regret.
The other thing, guys, just because someone hurt you, a guy hurt you, don't rush into any relationship.
Exactly.
Be willing.
Be willing. Be willing.
Be willing to just stay alone, single. Focus on yourself.
Exactly.
Focus on your healing.
Exactly.
You understand? Now because that's what I did. I focused on my healing.
You can be a counselor, Muswela.
Huh?
You can be a counselor.
I'm already doing it here.
Yeah, you can be a counselor, Mus.
I started already, sir. I started already.
Exactly.
You can see I started already.
Don't you want to start a counseling session on a daily basis?
I did already. I do on a daily basis, every day.
Make videos daily,
Huh?
Make videos daily,
It's like,
just to
it's
try.
A compliment.
Yeah, exactly. Try to assist, There are so many people who want to hear from you.
You
understand?
I remember, guys, I used to sit after work. I'll be sitting on my bed, reading my books, getting myself healed. But I don't want to lie, I got healed even before I left him. Because the things he was doing, guys, so rude, that guy, ne? Before I left him, I was already healed. The day I took a decision and said, I'll leave this guy, I don't want him anymore. You know what, guys? He will come to me, ne? He will smell so bad. Like, I just lost interest. Completely lost interest. He was still in my life, but I told myself before I left him that I don't want this guy. And God did a miracle, guys. He will come to me, this guy who will smell so bad, like I'll be like this.
Not because of his smelling, because of his smelling.
Not because he's smelling, because it didn't bite or something, but I don't know. But it was a miracle from God, guys. God just heard my prayer.
You are not feeling him
I said,
anymore.
God, please take this love I have for this guy away from me. Immediately when he come close to me, I'll feel like he smells, guys. I'll be doing this. He will come to me trying to give me a hug. You know when you don't want someone anymore, they try to cover up and as if they love you, they will try to come close to you and all things like that. Every time I was trying those tricks because he didn't believe that it was me. You understand? So he will try to come close to me. Yo, guys, I'll be like...
Yeah, it happens, sometimes when...
So you just pray to God. That's what I did. I just prayed to God, please, God, take away this love. I don't want it anymore. I hate it. Take it away. There was a song that was like, I hate how much I love you, boy.
You can sing.
I hate how much I
Look at
love
that.
you.
Listen to that.
So I was like, yo,
Wow.
you know.